Alright, I'm back, but whatever, man. PC froze, go figure, right? I just can't, I don't know, man. My friend IT guy's like, just document the log file. And I'm like, how do you do that? I have to get back live. He said it was some way he didn't know 100% sure. So, like, I don't even know how I'll ever get this PC crashing crap, like, fixed. It's so ridiculous, man. For the amount of money I've spent on all this hardware, like, it should never be, an issue. Nice, dude. Prism Coin Connect. What's up, Renee? Just back from the computer graveyard. Big Connect voice. What happened? What's up, BK? Sorry again, y'all. I don't know, man. Like, PC crash. What am I supposed to do about it? Like, David said he's gonna have it figured out by Sunday. He's coming over and watch Game of Thrones finale. But, oh, we'll work on it, man. I guess we will work on it. And Bitcoin's working on breaking a descending triangle. Or not, sorry, a descending broadening wedge. Excuse me. Oh, man. I'm all thrown off now. So, no, dude, I wouldn't worry. I mean, YouTube notifications are terrible, and you should expect to not get notified. Every time I go live, you should not expect it. And that's why you join the Discord, because we ping everyone, and there's no way you're not going to get notified unless you turn off the notifications. It's looking okay to you? All my windows. Oh my god, my music's too loud too. Wow. Holy crap. My bad. Good god. Yeah, well, no Mac's gonna be as powerful as what I have right now. Not for streaming. It's just there's an issue with the software or something. So once it gets figured out eventually with once that log file gets looked at, it should be okay. Coin market cap, please. Haha. J Logan, Kappa. Nice one, dude. Nice one. No, it wasn't a blue screen of death. It's literally my Windows crashes and everything stops working. It works, but not at all, really. It's just kind of like it literally just strokes out. If that makes sense. Why turn it down? Dude, it's too loud, man. Like you can tell, right? Anyway, as I was saying, VeChain looking similar to XRP. Computer, can I chart, please? Are you gonna? Don't freeze me, bro. Don't freeze. Good God, man. That's the way I feel like all the time now with this thing. You've broken it, man. You broke the downslope resistance. Will it be a false prophet? You could spell it either way if you wanted. But anyway, I was about to show y'all something amazing. So cool, dude. Alright, 60-minute. Alright, low to high. We hit a 61.8% retrace like the Jesus, man. Like 1 wick. We said, hey, here's the 618. Time to rise. I'm like down to the effing 100th of a cent. We touched it. And from that 69.30, we are at 76.17. Wow. That's crazy, man. Talk about the golden retrace, anyone? Yes, that is the golden retrace. Maybe Brickolinos. I doubt they'll find me, man. It's the Wild West, dude. Okay, anyone get this, right? So cool, and you're like, alright, well, no one cares anymore, dude, because those fibs aren't relevant, because now we're looking for targets. Seems like we're probably pretty close. Well, we're getting there, right? Remember, your golden zone's the 382 between the 382 and the 618, and so it's like 76.87, or sorry, that's like 76% of 1 penny to 81.52% of 1 penny. That's VeChain. All right, right in here, man. But if you were trading a wedge, the profit taking level 79.19. That's the first one. The second one's 81.53. Of course, it could go higher because this could be a much greater thing going on. All right, you really could. A much grander thing. This is, you know, we have not hit the major areas, the golden zone of, you know, like the only discernible daily swing high back from September 2018. All right, we've got the analysis. We've had the analysis for a long time, and it's not changing. Dude, why is this guy's analysis not changing, man? In the longer term, well, yeah, you know, it takes a long time, man, for this stuff to play out. Okay. What does it mean? Golden zone. Gidon Brock. It's in between the 38% and 62% retrace. Okay? That's what it is. That's exactly what it is. So, for instance, for you, to educate you and others who are not learned, but will become learned right now, okay, when we have Fibonacci, right, you would anchor with your fib retracement tool from your swing high. There's only one, and it's on the daily. It's the only discernible one. So you fib from it high to your low to get your targets to the upside for the retrace to the upside, right? And we hit a 23% retrace, excuse me, and then we pulled back and double bottom, falling wedge, and broke out, consolidating the short term. Don't worry about the short term right now. It's more zoomed out, right? And so this is 23%, this is 38%, 50%, 62%, 78%, 88.6%, and 100%. You retrace, right? And so in between the 38% and 62% retrace is what we call the golden zone, because that is your common retrace zone. After an impulse down, you most commonly retrace in this area before reversing your price action to the downside. Because the impulse was down, you retrace, then you sell off again. Makes sense? These are where we reverse our price action. We look at each fib node, and we normally use coinciding variables to help us determine which fib node we're going to reverse at, right? Thank you very much. There you go, man. Can you hear me over the freaking funk, man? If you could hear me, please hit the like button, that bell, that sub. If you couldn't, we're screwed. We are freaking screwed. All right. VeChain up 1.18% today. Currently sitting at 76.31% of 1 penny. Above the 23% retrace, though. Fantastical. Give me feedback if you could hear that. If not, again, just like I'm going to be kind of sad in pants. Well, we are looking for price action reversal at each fib node, and we might surpass this one, and then we could bust through it and hit the 78% before selling off, because 78 and 88% these are deep retraces, and that's normally where we see harmonics. You know, the pattern completion zone for harmonics at those areas. Okay. You hear? We hear, Emery. Alright, kernels. Someone talking about the kernel, man. Don't talk about the kernel, dude. He didn't do anything wrong. Alright. Anyway, so that's like way more zoomed out. This is way more zoomed in. And this is the 60-minute. We were just looking at the daily. So you can trade on the 60-minute or the 4-hour. And as long as you understand what's happening on the daily, right? You understand the context of what's happening with VeChain is we have not yet hit that golden zone. So there is the opportunity for us to run to the upside because we had an impulse up. We downsloped in our consolidation. We hit the golden zone, but we also hit Gadon Brock, the 62% retrace, which is what we call the golden retrace because it is the reciprocal of the golden mean ratio, which is the 1.618 or the 161.8% retrace. All right, and that's exactly, we touched it and bounced. Okay, we plotted earlier. We got rid of it. So anyway, let's go. Sure thing, Daniel Oakenshield, man. Kangs. Thanks, Benny. Yes. Mo move smart. Yes. Trading View. I'm not using a Trading View Boss. I think that's the one that costs like $10,000 a month, man. I'm just using Trading View Pro, not Trading View Boss. Okay. Be mindful of your commas. Steelers pumping hard. Oh, monk ass, Anthony. Monk ass. Or poggers. They're all moving up, okay? They don't get cocky. Yeah, but XLM is moving up a little bit more. I think it's above its 50% retrace now, alright? Good on, Brock. Thanks for the $2 super chat. Appreciate it. Okay. XLM. Here it is. It's pumping, man. It's pumping hard. It's okay. High to low. Where are we? We're at a 50% retrace and no higher, right? 13.9 cents and nothing above it so far. I know, just trolling you, Mo moves in a healthy, happy way. All right. See, you can use trolling for good. I prove that all the time. All right. You can be a troll and be nice. But most people use trolling, you know, for the dark arts, which is not good, man. Not good at all. Is XLM? What is it? XLM is doing other stuff than XRP? Really? Kind of. Let me see on this other chart. Yeah, it's doing a little. It's definitely doing a lot better, actually. Okay, so let's compare here. Let's compare. You know what's Global Banking Solutions Kappa. Okay, here's XLM. It hit a 50% retrace from its high point to low point. Here's Rappel, high to low, 23% retrace. If Ripple was XLM right now, it'd be at 42 cents. Okay, that is the difference. Get it? 50%, 23.6%. Fail. Epic fail. XRP, what are you doing, man? What do you mean win Vegas 10K SoFest? When we hit 10K, I guess, right? Makes sense. Oh, man. Real stream? What happened? What's up, No FOMO? I like your name. Your name's not No FOMO Crypto Bro, is it? That's an old school. That's a legacy joke, I guess. A legacy meme? Only some of you will get that. But if it hits you hard. Oh, what happened, Adam? Delete what? Oh my god, dude. Why can you not see the chat? Oh god, this is what happens when your PC like craps itself and crashes. Like things just get like broken. Watch this. I'll refresh the catch. And watch this. Start typing. You're gonna see it in a second. It's gonna be Kangs. There it is. Thanks, Adam. What was it, Adam? Yeah. No. it was M, and it was also Mario. Got y'all. We're good now. What's up, Caster? Jules Santana, maybe, dude. Once this PC freezing thing stops, I won't even have worries. I won't have an issue anymore. It'll be perfect. It'll be like the ideal world until I get another GPU, and then it'll be all crapped again. All right. What happened, dude? Cool. All right. Sorry. Y'all are confusing me. Some people are S-posting. God. CGI chat? What does that mean, dude? Is that the new thing? I think our new thing is like ours in the chat. Okay. Ethereum Connect. Here it is. Isn't it beautiful, dude? Isn't it awesome? It's like this story time, you know, like rising wedge. We made a lower high. We formed the bearish pattern. We broke out. We hit the measure move of the pattern. And then at a critical support, a horizontal line overhead resistance, now support. You've double bottomed and you've broken. Well, you broke false breakout, right? Hoping it's premature breakout. Showing a lot of strength. And if you could break it, man, measure move would put you 260. I'll wait for it to chime before I respond.
Hey Mitch, when market cools off, do your monthly bills get lower too or something?
Because I'm using so much energy streaming and just being on all the time. Is that what you're saying? I don't even know, man. I am on autopay. I don't even check my power bill, dude. Like whatever it is, man, it's gonna be it. It's really not that bad. Cause like I haven't had to like use like the heat or the air conditioning like at all. I remember last year I went until like mid-July before I started using the air conditioning. I was like, it was like something I wanted to try to do. It's like, how long can I go without using the air conditioner in summertime? And I only made it to mid-July. It was too unbearable at that point. They are all connects, feckless. Yes, that is true. No, even Cardano is your connect. Cardano Connect. Oh, it rolls off the tongue so well, feckless. Chat, you want to give it a shot? Cardano Connect. Cardano Connect's in the chat for feckless. All right. Show him that even his Beanie Baby is a connect. All right, man. So we've looked at Ripple. It broke out of a falling wedge. We have Ethereum that I believe was same type of pattern probably. Look, man, Momo shift. Yeah, you broke it. Barely, man. Right? Wedgington. Wedge to wedge. Wow, man. Wedge on wedge action. Not safe for work. Good God. Beautiful, though. We got some artistic market makers going on this season, doing things with patterns. All right, double bottom. That's just like that's the same recipe as VeChain. They did the same thing, right? Or it did the same thing. Everything Marklar. Hey Ross, roll tide, man. Yeah, Pog you, man. Monka W, dude. Your longest streak without an AC in the summer is March. Wow, dude. You didn't even give it a shot. You didn't even try, man. Didn't even try. Is there a buzz going on? Did y'all hear a buzz? There's no way, man. Y'all never can hear my fan blowing. Dude, I don't know. Okay, it's beautiful, dude. Freaking love it. This is chart art. These are the things we can make art of and put on our walls. We call it what do we call this art? We'd be like, we would call this the Wedge Manifesto or something. Damn it, Ray. Okay, anyway. What? The karaoke channel? Yeah, I listened to a little bit of it. It was pretty funny, man. It was pretty funny. But I don't know if I'm ever going to do karaoke on stream, man. Alright? Sorry. If you mute the mic, it goes away. No buzz. People are saying no buzz, Kantomo. It might be you. You might be losing your mind, dude. Alright. Does Bitcoin rally this weekend, AJS? Well, the Bulls have the ball, right? So, anything's possible. Yeah, we could run up to... Crap, dude. We could run up to like 7,600, but that's still not going to be enough. Really. It's not going to be enough. Dude, you're like, you've got to make higher highs. Okay, so Coinbase. And so, yeah, what if you did rally? What if you broke out here and then you ran up to 77.60 and then failed? That's not good. Look, because it was a support. Gonna be a resistance, man. You're gonna have the upsloping old support as resistance too. And then you got to deal with looking left, a candle high close from 75.24, and then the wick top at like 75.90 or whatever. So yeah, we break out. You're just gonna have a lot of resistance right here, tons of it. So you can break above all this. Look, you break 77.60, I'm gonna be like, all right, man, super Kangage. We got a chance here. But if you can't break 77.60, this thing's gonna hit it, reject it, and then sell off, make lower lows. All right. So let's fib Bitcoin on the 60-minute high to low. Oh god, man. We really have to use the stupid wick? I guess so. If we use the stupid wick, we're already in the golden zone, dude. So you've already retraced above 38%. Not 50%, which is 7,500. And then the 618 is 7,700, which is right around that big overhead resistance, okay? 7,600 is not enough, man. I'm sorry. 77.60 is what you gotta break and hold above. Yes, 1G Project. Yes, it is.
Can we check my favorite stock ECHV and maybe PT2 if you have time because you're the man? I've been to you, Lord Ray.
Thank you, Anon, for the 690. Achieve life? Is that what this is? Very illiquid. I'm just seeing it in the 4 hour. Dude, how is this your favorite, man?
Hey Mitch, where would be the best place for me to place my buy order for Solve/BTC? How do I determine it on my own for future reference?
Oh, we can look at it right after Achieve. Thank you, man, for the 5. Hang tight. Okay, Achieve, man. You did say Achieve, right? Can we...
Happy Friday, Sensei. Sipping on a golden pilsner tonight in honor of the golden retrace. Hatcho drinking?
Oh, I'm just drinking black tea, man. Nice pilsner, though, dude. Sounds awesome. Alright. Very good. I'm glad to see you enjoying this fur day, man. Thank you, dude, for the 3s. Skinnish rat, man. Much love. So, I'm trying to get this right. Can we check my favorite stock? So it is... it's a stock. I don't even know. What do you want from me, man? This thing is terrible. This thing is historically bearish, right? My god. This is the daily, man. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, so bear trend. The trend is your friend and it's awful. This is what things look like that go bankrupt. This is what they end up looking like. Seriously. Okay, man. What happens every time, man? What happens? Let's see. Every time we retrace is a pump, a retrace pump. I don't even know here, dude. Whatever that is. I don't know. Maybe we get a retrace, dude. Where do I even fib? Does it even matter, man? Oh my god. Where am I supposed to fib from, dude? No one's gonna know on this crap. No one. I don't know if this is right, or if this is right, or if this is right. I have no idea how to fib this. Okay. So, sorry, but, dude. Does it even matter? Like, there's so many opportunities out there. What is going on with this? Here we go. That was weird. My 20 moving average was stuck in my RSI. Twilight Zone. So, dude, I mean, what if it's moving up, man? Oh my god, it was at 98 cents and now it's up to 356. Like, I think you're probably better off playing some random S coin. Maybe. I know nothing about this company. Besides, it's only making... It doesn't make money. So it could just be a crypto. Might as well just be a... Alright, so this is Achieve Life Science Connect. And does terrible. Look at that. Last earnings. Missed EPS estimates by 25 cents per share. Wow. Bearish trend, I don't know. Just, I wouldn't mess with it. I don't even want to mess with it, dude. That's it. Like, I don't even know how to fib it, and I'm not going to try. Alright. That's good. That's very good, man. As long as you do your fundamental research on these assets. What is this? Biotechnology, exactly. And so, like, FDA approval is everything. And, like, you know, you can run leading up to FDA approval. But, dude, it's almost a coin flip. They're so crazy on approving drugs and all that. So it's about to come out. All right, so enjoy your gamble. All right, because it's a coin flip, and if it passes, you win. If it doesn't, you lose. Okay. But thank you, dude, for the contribution. Much love. Ooh. So we surpassed the potential double top, and all we did was hit the top of the, you know, the upsloping resistance, right? I think we hit the 618. Yeah. Oh my god, dude. We almost did. We were so close. Look at that. 43.11. Wicks rejected it. We have not closed. I mean, like, we got 11 minutes left to this 4-hour closes, right? And look where we are. We're rejecting prices above the upsloping resistance. Pretty sweet, man. Let me adjust this, make it perfect. Okay, that's perfect. It's actually not. It's actually a little bit higher. Wow. There you go. So there you go. 1 and 2, and then rejected. Lots of volume and positive momentum, and relative strength keep building. So that divergence just happens, man. Like I say, crypto, these S coins are very unpredictable. Your golden zone, but hey, man, if it wants to break out of the wedge, you're gonna have a real nice run up. All right. Look, you broke resistance. There's gonna be resistance at 5,078, man. I'll tell you that. So the 618, really not that strong of a resistance if this thing can keep going. So you'll have that up here, the 786, and then you're gonna have the 100% retrace. And there's candle high closes at 56. 99, right? 5,700. So you broke some pretty hardcore resistance here if we can close, but again, you've got the upsloping resistance and the pattern you're developing, the wedge. So, like, if it did break to the upside, I'm just saying, man, all right? If it broke to the upside, wherever you broke out, your measured move, oh, well, go figure, man. Measured move will put you right where overhead resistance is. If it did break out, but we have no idea, and it's overbought. So, but it's crypto, it's S coins. Okay, so at least we have the target set up. If we broke to the upside, if we broke the downside, then there you go. Same thing, the downside. The measure moves down here wherever you broke out bearishly. Okay, it goes both ways. So you got targets. Prepared for both, right? Oh boy. Sorry, girl, did you check out Flat Earth? Seriously, it's not a joke, science girl. Do you even science, side girl? Kappa? What's up, Artur? Bull flag on Bitcoin. Oh my god. Bull flag on, dude, it must be like the 15-minute chart or something. Dude, in the 60-minute, you've got a descending broadening wedge. And we got all kinds of resistance above us, all kinds of adversity. But yeah, it does look very strong. But it's just the weekend, man. So, Flat Earth Connect. So the question, though, I think I forgot to answer. Hold on. You said, where should you... place your buy order? Well, you can't really, like, until you haven't found a swing high, so I can't fib from a low to high to get you retrace levels for areas of value to accumulate, right? I can't do that yet because we could go higher. So until you start making a swing high, which we haven't yet on Solve, we will be unable to talk about entries at lower prices, right? So, Tom, until we break like 7760, man. 7600, this zone right here, it's just all kinds of adversity. It's okay, man. Let's go. Let's be strong, dude. The trend is your friend, and we are, obviously extremely bullish, but, we just started finally showing red after a while, man. Shark coin breaking out, man. Oh my god, dude. I should have taken the deal, man. I'll always regret never taking the shark coin deal, man. Biggest mistake of my entire freaking life. Thanks for the 476 people tuned in right now. If you're enjoying the live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Is there any way to get a like spike? Just go all in on the likes, man. I think it's possible. What's my favorite? So Cardano has a cool logo. XRP's logo sucks. VeChain's logo is meh. So maybe Cardano, Kappa. I don't know, man. It's like, you see what they're all doing. They're all doing kind of the same thing, aren't they? They're all like following Bitcoin for the most part. And they're actually not. They're actually like a step behind Bitcoin or 2 steps behind Bitcoin right now. If you look at them like zoomed out. Like ones like Monero and stuff from their November 7th high are still like only at like the 50%, 60% retrace, where Bitcoin has gone like, I think, a 368 or plus retrace from, I don't even know. I think it's like way beyond that now. It's insane. So Bitcoin's been outperforming the living crap out of most of the alts. What? Dude, gross. J Logan, that's weird, man. What even made you... What, J Logan, went through your mind to make you say that, right? Excuse me. Hello? What? This isn't it. That's so weird. It's like broken, dude. I never seen anything like that before in my life. Thank you. I chose a song and it was all titled the same, but it was the other old song. Oh my god. It's the weekend. Prices tend to go up. Mo moves. How long you been in this market, man? That's not true at all. Like, we had a pump last weekend, and the weekend before, the only other weekend we had a nice pump like that was back here. I remember, like, all the weekends, dude. Most of the weekends we're not doing anything. We're just in the middle of consolidating, do nothing. But yeah, last weekend was insane. And one back late or early mid-February, something like that. Yeah, late February. So no, on the weekends we tend to do nothing significant. But then rarely, sometimes, like last weekend, we do crazy things. So Hobo coin, is that actually real? I've never even heard of that before, okay? I don't think everyone's in Doge at all. Oh yeah, what are they doing, Voltaire, man? What are they going to present? They're presenting their project in Washington, D.C. That's cool, man. Well, I hold a lot, like a blend, like most of the Coinbase ones, right? Those are the ones that are being held in my Beanie Baby portfolio. When Wizard had Delov? I don't know, man. I don't even know if can we rewind and see if the jar actually filled up today. But I do want to do a, this is interesting. Someone named Instigator is a patron. He brought up a straw poll, and I want to see what y'all, because I don't think I've not done this. Have y'all? Go vote, man. I own rare Pepes, but they're not. They're in Discord. Okay, so if you are in Discord, I have rare Pepes that I post time to time. All right, I could spam one in general chat. So go vote. I will also, in the midst of this voting, start spamming rare Pepes. Okay. What's my most rare Pepe? Man, that's a real good Pepe. I also have Pepels, which is another, it's like a young version of Pepe. Alright, here's one. Alright, I'm going to spam this one in the Discord. Okay, there's some rare Pepes for you. They're even called rare Pepes. No, Instigator, I've not, because, I mean, dude, I'm like good on, I've got Brave. You can tip me crypto via Streamlabs. You can join the Patreon. You can tip me fiat. You can tip me super chat. Man, there are many ways you can tip. So no, I've not done Coil. And also XRP tip bot that people seldom use. You know, that note, like, it started at first, it was good. It's like doesn't really, no one really uses it. So what question? Explain the question. Follow it. Follow it? Sorry, man. What do you mean? What is it? ADA? We can look at it. I think we were looking at it like just a minute ago. And then my PC crapped itself. It was VeChain and this one. Yeah, he broke out. It was the same pattern as everything else. I mean, channel-y. Really more channel-y than wedgy. You could still see the wedge a little bit, right? It's just not that crazy. So, we'll fib now. High to low. Okay, we hit a 32 or 38.2% retrace. We hit the 50 moving average on the 60 minute, and we pulled back, and now we're attempting to rally again. Kind of looks like almost identical to XRP right now. Oh, Bitcoin session. Oh, was it the 60 minute just closed? 4 hour? Oh my god, 4 hour just closed. Sweet. Okay. Cardano Connect. Attempting to break the 50 moving average soon. 8.42 cents. Bitcoin about to hit 7,400. Let's get back to it just for a second to show you what's maybe happening. But again, weekend, so trading desks closed around the world. Shouldn't expect much on the weekend. You can feel it. Yeah, that's Bitcoin bull, man. That's like weird. You can just feel it. That might be gas. Okay, so you know, get checked out. Near future speculation. We could break this down sloping resistance and run up and test between 7,500 and 7,760. What we do in this area will determine how much of a man we are as Bitcoin. Okay, if we can break 7,760, you got a much better shot of everything. But dude, like, it's like you've got to break that, and you got to break it convincingly. Okay. Hold on. The rest of this tea, man. Okay. Excuse me. Sorry. Wow. Are y'all drinking tonight? I think I can tell some of y'all are drinking. Alright. Okay, here's the voting right now. We got 50 votes so far. Have you made a Bitcoin transaction and followed it on the blockchain? 60% of you are liars, Kappa. Just kidding. If you want to vote on this, feel free to. I'll post it again. There it is. Okay. Go vote. 60-40. I voted no, because I've not done that. Green River Sports 0x. Is that a crypto? What is it? The old, on Trailer Park Boys, the old vodka and the water bottle trick? Oh my god, dude. Were we the first people in history? What if it was like, this was like supposed to be black tea, and it was actually whiskey, and it's like the old whiskey and the tea, the transparent tea kettle trick? We like would literally be the people that did that. Maybe I should do that one day, alright? Oh my god, man. I mean, yeah, once I finish my tea, I might get a beer. I mean, why not, man? Who cares? It's daytime in the UK. It's not daytime in the UK, is it? How is it daylight in the UK? No way, man. Alright, Bitcoin. Trying to crack 7,400. Let's see here. Look here, listen. If you break 7,400, you might have a nice rise up to 7,500, man. I mean, is there any kind of resistance at 7,400? Oh, yeah, dude. You got mega resistance at this area that we closed below just now, right? This is the break couldn't go off of it, and now you're attempting to get back above it. So it's like, come on, man. If you can just... Look, you... Oh, I hate when it happens like that, where I don't even know. Did you break it? It doesn't look like it. It looks like you closed at it. So you're like, you got back above the 50 moving average, which is good on the 4 hour. You broke it, you hooked off of it, and now you're trying to stay above it. Stay above it, man. Come on. But remember what 7,400 is. 73.79, right? Look left. Right here, dude. So we still have yet to break it. But if you can break... Dude, it's the wick right here is 7,400. If you can break that, boom. 7,500 real fast, right? Jeez, man. Jeez. Good God. This one. I don't know, man. It exceeded the 1.6 or the 2.618 fib extension. Jesus. High to low. I don't know, man. It exceeded the 78.6% retrace. Yeah, there is resistance that you have not broken yet. But where's your divergence? Okay? Colby, man? Like, where's your divergence at all? Beautiful rounding action. Cup with handle, man. Cup with handle. So, you might be able to pull back. I mean, dude, yeah, area where you might... I mean, this is overhead resistance, is it not? I mean, there's... You have had no overhead resistance. There was none, man. Absolutely zero until now, and now you have it. You've gapped up. Good God, man. Look at the volume involved. Is this a breakaway gap? Jeez. Highest volume we had seen on this asset since freaking June of 2018. Todd Jones, man, thanks for the $3.33, man. Appreciate that, dude. You hit 48% FET. It's a good day. Fentanyl Connect. Awesome, dude. Fly boys out. Yeah, man, this thing's a crazy high fly right now. I mean, you know, exceeding the 786 retrace. But is there a pattern here? It doesn't really look like it. I mean, good God, higher higher highs with negative momentum. Higher highs on the 4-hour, bearish divergence like crazy. Yeah, dude. I mean, there's definitely a low risk. You can definitely make the argument there's a low freaking risk here. Okay. I don't even know if there's anything you could chart here. All right. Peak to peak. There you go. Oh, rising wedge? Yeah, a little 4-hour rising wedge, man. Just think about it like this. If you're not familiar with the stock market, you just act like this is one green candle, okay? It's a green candle, man. Green candle, impulse up, rising wedge, add an overhead the first overhead resistance you've seen like in a very, very long time after an extreme, stupendous run. Yes. Arguments could be made. This could be a very low risk area for sure. Nice one, Colby, man. Very cool, dude. Yep, divergence, and it's like Class A plus, right? Where you don't even have positive momentum on higher prices. Pathetic, man. Getting real weak. Okay. Let's see here. Whatever, dude. All right, Bitcoin, 7407. You broke 7,400, chat. Can we hold, though? That's the big question. The big question. Let's see here. Okay. If you can sustain prices above this for any amount of time, dude, I mean a reasonable amount of time, this thing, again, there's no resist. If you break it, why don't you run up to test 7,500, man? It'd be weird. There's a wick at 7,460, whatever, man. We're just talking about any resistance. There's very little of it above 7,400 until 7,500. You praying, Foxio? Alright, well, pray away, man. Is it really, though? It is what? Is this live or fake stream? It's always fake stream. If you have to ask Bradford, it's always fake stream. Okay. This is a pre-recording back from circa 2nd century. All right. Deep fake stream. Yep. XLM's flirting with another fib. Jonathan? Pff, go figure, right? XLM's such a flirt. Do I expect to drop soon? I feel like if we're doing what we're doing now, we should see this zone up here. And it's all dependent on if we can break that or not. If we can't break it, then nah, we're definitely going lower. Yeah. Yep, probably Miss Only one. Okay, thanks for the 523 people here. Dang, dude, almost 200 likes, really? 193 effing likes. That's amazing, dude. It's like something I used to dream about, man. Holy crap, 200 likes? What? Vodka and Pepsi. Sounds like the Russian industrial techno we were playing earlier in the day stream. Good God, how magical that was. Man, I've owned Bitcoin since 1995, man. Someone said that the other night jokingly. I thought that was funny. How you doing, XRP? Nothing. Not doing anything. How you doing? Not too well, man. Alright, see it. I mean, it's just very weak, man. It's like, I mean, you bounced all the 20, which is great. Just got to get more from Bitcoin, probably. Bitcoin goes up. It seems like these alts are going to probably play ball, too. What's up, Jay? Thanks for joining, man. And thanks for, geez, man, just all the new subs today. I want to show you all the Social Blade because this has never happened before, and it's 7 days now, so it's been a week. I know we looked at it like a few days in, but I just want y'all to see what I see, and I'm just like, I can't believe it, man. That's not it. Okay, that's great. Keep load. Okay, so have you made a Bitcoin transaction and followed it on the blockchain? 63% of y'all, 45 votes said yes, and then 27 votes, 38% said no. 72 votes. Instigator, that was for you, man. Now you have your data. Collect it. Or else. Okay, I'm showing y'all this. Dude, this is crazy, man. This is my Social Blade, alright? So 1 month ago, whatever, April 18th, you know, the growth was pretty freaking good still, man. It was like, oh, dude, we were getting hundreds up here, too. You know, got pushed back, but it was good, man. But we were at 6260 subs, right? Like, literally 28 days ago, something like that. And, you know, then I went to Auburn, you know, couldn't do a static video or something on Friday. Man, I, like, fell off just barely.
Kush Blunts is back, boy. Can you check out Digibyte? Either DGBUSD or DGBBTC. Thanks and please clap.
God, man, once we hit that top resistance, we crashed. We were terrible, man. Pathetic. Yeah, we can look at it in a second. Thank you, dude, for the threes. Kush Blunts, welcome back, man. So, when Saturday came around, right? This previous Saturday, where we were doing things, right? It's 7 days in a row now, over 200 subs per day. Like, unbelievable. My average has exploded to 94 daily average. The view counts, like, this was like all-time highs for me, okay, on views ever. And then it's just like every single day now, right? Just like, oh my god. So it's predicting yearly projections 32K and then 2.7 million views or something. And now we're at 800 plus total views for the channel. This or millions right around the corner. Just wanted to show you all that. I mean, that's because of y'all. Like that's not me. So appreciate y'all. What's up, FPS Moose? Thanks for joining, dude. No, Julia, that might be your mind, okay, in the gutter. Very bad, man. DGB, this one I've had charted forever like this, alright? And we talked about what area was so critical and so important, 243 sats. If you broke that, you were screwed. It was like XLM's support. It was like that 5800 for Bitcoin. We broke it, and look what happened. We just got obliterated. From a low point to high point on our Fibonacci, we fell below the 1414 and got close to the 1618 before bouncing. Bouncing off of what? Nothing really. Just some chop down here, it looks like, from December 2017. And all you're doing is like, you're just making, whatever, man, just a one green impulse and you're below the 20 moving average. 50, 200 is bad. So BK, man, tell us about your favorite video game. Well, I don't really play video games anymore. I played Shadow War. Just to, you know, because I have two 1080 Ti's and could SLI them, and it was extremely fun. Oh my god. But, you know, you beat the game and then you're kind of done. It's like that was like the first game I played in a really long time. But I used to play Rust. I guess that was my favorite game before I really like stopped playing games. So Rust, the game of Rust. Okay, anyway, so very bad, man. I mean, just breaking this support. This is the stuff you should expect. Big moves down. And then you're going to retrace. How far will we retrace? Probably 23% of the way. High to low. Almost, man. Like, pretty much 23% of the way. And all you're doing, look, there's this upsloping support, right? Just kind of like back testing it as resistance. You see it? I don't know, man. This thing is nasty, dude. Bitcoin pair getting wrecked, dude. All of them are getting wrecked. None of the charts really look that good. Only a couple. So, yeah, you could retrace. I mean, if you're lucky, maybe you retrace between 239 sats and 308 sats before selling off again. Decrypto, greetings from China. What kind of VPN you using, man? Because YouTube's blocked in China, bro. So welcome. Don't let Big Brother get you, dude. Can you fib the viewer count, Mr. Meme? 562 viewers. I don't know how you fib it. 56% retrace from 1,000 or something. I don't even know. Not really. Thanks, Momu Smart, for the $2 super chat. Clinking beer mugs. Thank you, dude. Pat McCarthy, congrats on what, dude? Same thing here. I had all this stuff charted and then my PC crashed and I lost all my data again. It's nice. I guess it builds character. Gets me better at charting. Practice, man. Practice. Keep on plotting, dude. My fingers, man. My fingers are so tired. Push through it. Push through it. Be a man. Yes, sir. Okay. TA Bootcamp Cabo. Alright, so you've broken it down some resistance. Kind of a lower high, double bottom. Not really. Just looks, you know, like XLM, looks like ADA, looks like VeChain, looks like them all in the 60 minutes, right? And guess what they're all doing? They're like, well, you do something, Bitcoin? Bitcoin, if you do something, we can all run to the upside. But if you sell off here at a critical downswing resistance, then we got no candy for you. They're all going to sell off too. Great. You always need a backup, constantly blocking IPs where they pick up encrypted data streams. Dandy, that's crazy, man. Did I get it, Nerve Craze? Yeah, why did it? Oh, it probably screwed up too. Let me refresh the cache data. My PC crashed, so everything bugged out. I did get it. Thank you. Let me replay this. Oh wait, I have to. Where is my alert box? Dude, there it is. Alright, refreshing. And now I'm going to replay it. Watch this. Sweet.
Watch your shows often. Good job on the TA. Can we check out LTC/USD and let me know what you see?
Find out what it means to me. Litecoin, waiting on Bitcoin, holding on to positive momentum, sitting at 47, so pretty much just a neutral. Receding volume, so move, calm before the storm. Some move happening, and it is all on Bitcoin, man. All on Bitcoin. Trying to get this decibel level up. There we go. So, dude, alright. So the question is, man, where do we go if we actually were to retrace? which we've only retraced 23% of the way, just broke out. So there might be opportunity here if Bitcoin wants to run up this weekend, but if it doesn't, then this thing's going to just keep selling off. You might get yourself a nice double bottom down here at $84 if it does sell off. But for now, you're holding above the 20 and the 200 moving average. So if you were to play this falling wedge breakout, your first target, 50%. Second target, the 62% retrace at 98.44. That's it. There's your Litecoin. If this was to move up, these are your profit-taking levels in a traditional market. That's how you trade a falling wedge. On the 60-minute, 4-hour, daily, whatever, they're all the same in terms of how to play them. Okay. You think there's going to be a move tonight? Based on what, Jonathan? Based on what? Why will there be a move to the upside? Give us your reasoning, Crypto Shaman. We can, while you give your answer, we will just play this, alright? Alright, we're waiting on Jonathan Christensen. He says, I think there is going to be a move tonight. Tell us, Jonathan. Magic. I'm sorry. That is not an argument. That does not count. So yeah, there might be a move to the downside too, right? As you fail to break 7,400. Because that's a resistance. Yeah. Thanks, BG. He's a psychic. It's the Crypto Shaman, man. Welcome, everybody, to the Crypto Shaman stream. We are here tonight to philosophize Bitcoin. Okay. Anyway, do you get it? I just lost a sub. Okay, man. Can't take a joke? Well, get the F out. No one cares. It's like, what are people expecting on a Saturday? Like, just because last weekend was so crazy, you must have just gotten here. And you must not be following crypto on the weekends for the past 15 months, because we are every freaking weekend. Okay, and we know. So far, no bueno, man. Alright, let's go back to Bitcoin real quick.
Number 33.33 this time. I'll let you off the hook. For now. Took a look at APT on the Ask with SSS Air last night. Would you mind having this quiz added as well, please?
No, would not mind. Hold on a sec. Thank you, Julia, for the 1618. Seriously. Really appreciate it. Dude, like, you're not gonna offend me if it triggers, okay? It seems like everyone gave up on it. Just because, you know, whatever, man. Gave it a shot. I get it, man. It's a tough game. It's a tough gamble on that chug variation. Easy enough, right? Easy enough here. Music's loud. I'll turn it down. 1414 fib extension on the daily. A little bearish divergence on both oscillators. Falling right at that 20, man. Sure, keep going. It could run up one more time to the 1618, right around $30.82. But oh, hold on. So you could pivot here and run one more time and get triple MACD bearish divergence. So remember, it's like super bullish. It's like all-time highs. So it's like bullish conditions are nuts right now. So if it does look kind of weak at a 1414, you know, probably macro is going to play into this, right? We know. I don't know, man. The way it looked to me on the stock market looked pretty freaking weak on this, you know, on the close today. So if the macro dumps and this thing's going to run down to hit the 50-day moving average, it has not touched the 50-day moving average, Julia, since January 4th. That's eventually going to change, okay? Whether it changes here, the 1414 with the bearish divergence already, or the 1618 when it rallies one more time. But I don't know, man. It seems ready to me. And if you sell off, think about what could happen, Julia, in this situation. And again, who knows, right? Sell off, you rally, and then you dump, right? Like Head and Shoulders. That's ugly. That's real ugly. Man, I had a really pretty one on the Dow Jones. Let me try this again. Right? Something like that. Could be a great ending to a fantastic run. Afterpay Touch Group Limited, Yulia. That's it. I mean, sure, we could try to create some sort of channel here. Yup. Look at the beautiful channel, man. Look what happened here. Look here, listen. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, dump. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, dump. Let's go. Let's go. Maybe. And it's all hypothetical, right? You got so much. I mean, this is just a thing outside of the box thing. It's Friday night. We're hanging out. It's crypto and chill. If you haven't noticed, chat. We're supposed to be chilling tonight, not going crazy on charts. Okay. Oh my god, man. Oh my god. Everything broke resistance or support or something. Holy crap. Toodaloosh. Toodaloosh. That's right, it's Toodaloosh, right? Yeah. Guardianship is what it means. Tutelage, chat, remember? The word. Rami coin. Is this the best? Is this a good time to buy Bitcoin? Dude, you're at the top of a downswing resistance, and you might rally to 77.60. But how you gonna break that, man? Thanks for the sub. Mobile M. Ethereum looks like a powerhouse, does it, man? Julie, is that cool? Are we cool? Oh, yeah, I understand if you're scared. Or if you think that, thanks for being easy on me. Remember this? What we call it? What was it? The chart, what was the name? What did we name this art? The rising wedge into the falling wedge. Double bottom, 60 minute.
Yo Mitch, what Bulkovsky book would you recommend first? Also, what's the word with that atom/BTC and Versace and Des? Still in play? Thanks brother, cheers. Clinking beer monks. Clinking beer monks.
Thank you, LMNOP, for the $5 contribution. It was struggling. It was definitely struggling. Yeah, definitely. Certainly is, man. Look at this. It's so beautiful. Look at the 4 hour. Oh my god, it's so pretty, chat. Can we get a big round of applause? Shout out, chat, to Adam Connect. Please clap. Just respecting the TA, man.
Many thanks, Mitch. We always cool.
We cool, Julia. Thanks for the Back-to-back 16-18s. The golden meme ratios. Thank you, Julia. Oh my god. Sweet. So with this pattern, there was a debate on where the neckline was, and I just said, what about the just screw the little stupid illiquid wick, right? What if it's just a horizontal line? Just a standard inverse head and shoulders, right? And this was the neckline, the horizontal line resistance from May 13th. And it's like, oh, maybe we broke it, we've hooked it, now we've bullishly engulfed. We have a 4-hour break hook and go. We'll see if it holds, man. Let's see if it plays. Okay. But, you know, whatever. This thing's off now. Just because we adjusted, so it might be even greater. So measured move. 7,096. It's still in play, man. We're back testing and bullishly engulfing. It's actually maybe not, but it's close enough. My god, that's pretty close to engulfing. But, yeah, technically not, I guess. Right? It's a very pretty pattern, man. Textbook. But, hey, man, even the most textbook potential patterns will crap out if the conditions are not right. So we know the golden zone, right, from your high to low, is between 66.39 and 78.13. Look where the measured move is in the midst of that zone, which is perfect. Completely reasonable to believe we could hit those areas. Oh, yeah? Does that help? Gold memes for the win. Absolutely. What's up, Matthew C, dude?
Is that a joint?
Ever look at Peppy Cash? Don't think it's on TradingView. Interesting charts though.
Yeah, it's certainly not on TradingView. Thank you, Kevin Terr, for the 420 Pepe Cash. Is that a certain meme, dude? Oh, man. What was actually real? Oh my god, dude. How a frog meme became a cryptocurrency. Oh my god. Pepe Cash 101, how a frog meme became a cryptocurrency for fun and profit. Profit, yeah. Spell it either way, right? Okay. Oh my god, dude. What? I'm just understanding, where's the Pepe Cash? What is Pepe Cash? It's one of the most interesting behaviors to arise from blockchain world, as others have already mentioned. Sure, investing in Bitcoin and Ethereum has made early adopters lots of cash money, and there are some early and interesting use cases for cryptocurrency and digital tokens, but there is still more hype, yeah, hype, baby, than substance, more hope than sustainable value prop. I like it. I like this guy. I like this guy. But rare Pepes and Pepe Cash are one canary in a very intriguing coal mine. The Pepe community took the idea of rare Pepes and actually made them rare. They used the counterparty protocol, which sits on the Bitcoin blockchain. So now when an artist creates a rare Pepe card like so, the creator can determine exactly how many copies there will be. In this case, 132 Melancholia Pepes, and you own one of them, whatever, and this is provable and showable on the Bitcoin blockchain. Wow. All in Pepe Cash. Oh my god, dude. We lit, man. Freaking lit. That's awesome. I had no idea about that. Nice, Kevin Terr, nice contribution, man. Super rare. Super duper rare. Sucks, man. We can't do any kind of Pepes in the chat, right? Because it's a YouTube chat. It's not Twitch chat, so we're screwed. Dude, I've been live for an hour and 16 minutes, man. What more do you want on a Friday night? All right. Thanks for the 535 people tuned in.
Thanks for sharing the poll and congrats on the subs. Hashtag hockey sticky.
Instigator, man, thanks for the $5 of Bitcoin Cash. Oh, is that the real Bitcoin, man? Is that what they say? Oh, that's the real Bitcoin, man. Thanks for the real Bitcoin. Much loved it. Anytime, man. It's interesting because I haven't done that. Maybe I should. Thanks, man. But man, 263 likes. So I guess let's put some fireworks up. Been slacking. There you go, man. Friday night fireworks. Reach out to Pepe Cash so you can advertise for them. Wow. I don't get it, man. If I have a sponsor, the sponsor, I'm gonna definitely believe in the sponsor, okay? And it will not be crypto related. Whatever my sponsor is, my sponsor will be like something with that is hardware, like for a PC. Okay, it's not gonna be like, oh, this S coin or this crypto exchange. Yeah, dude, can't wait to tie my name up to something crypto related. Since like it's a 50-50 chance in 2 years something will be a scam. That's not Bitcoin. What y'all saying? Pepe is gay and straight? So Pepe is bi, you mean, right? Bisexual. Holy crap, man, what is that? Oh my god, who just deleted the golden rare Pepe? Showcoin Connect. Yep. Alright, man. So there's Ethereum. It's Friday night. People aren't trading much. People are out doing things. Hence why the market's just doing this. Like every weekend, except last weekend and one back from late February. Instigator, it's not legal to transfer alcohol to me in this state. They don't allow it here. But I don't think I'll have to worry about that very much longer. I mean, I'm getting a new deck right now. So my house is almost done. I've got my bathroom finished up. Replacing my deck. They'll be working on it tomorrow morning, like Saturday, right? And then I got my new microwave installed and got my new oven coming to be installed. And that's about it, man. I'll be ready to put my house on the market, which is very exciting for me because I've been patiently waiting and working on this for a few months now. And it's just all coming to fruition, which is great. There it is. That's what I'm talking about. It's beautiful. Look at this. Beautiful. Wait, sorry, wrong. Beautiful golden Pepe, man. Look at those diamond eyes. King Pepe. Whoa, what was that? Oh my god. Did y'all see it? Dude, you know, that's really weird. Ooh, man. Well, it looks like bye-bye. That's pretty easy, right? Okay. Oh, sorry. Left shoulder too low. Dude, that could be a Drew, if you're talking about, that's not inverse head shoulder, that's more like rising three valleys pattern. Drew, if you're in here, let me show you. It's a little off though, it's not perfect. Let's see. Here you go, right? You tell me. I mean, Drew crew. Drew was like, is this an inverse head and shoulders? The right shoulders or the left shoulder too low? No, but this looks more like this, right? Rising three valleys. Look, a low, a higher low again. All proportionate lows, even with a wick, right? And then you have your confirmation line, and then you can break out, and then you have your measured move from the top, from the valley to this second peak. Okay, so that could be it, man. Oh man, that's sweet, dude. Look at this. Oh my god, dude. Look at the education. I can F y'all up with some education. Okay, you want to see the rising wedge? Here it is, man. Hold on. Boom. Rising wedge. Rounding bottom. Symmetrical triangle. 3 falling peaks. Falling 3 peaks. Whatever. You can call either one. Where'd it go, man? Was that it? Okay, sorry. We have to go the other way then. Rectangle pattern. Pennant. Head and shoulders pattern. Inverse head and shoulders pattern. Double bottom pattern. More double bottoms. Diamond bottom pattern, baby. Descending triangle. Benito coin. Get wrecked. Benito's last words, man. Dead cat bounce. Don't worry about it. Can't even see all of it, can you? So we can do here. Okay, yeah, there we go. Dead cat bounce. Ooh. Bull flag. Bull flag. Kangs. Broadening top. Kangs. Ascending triangle. Kangs. Ascending scallop. Kangs. Ascending broadening wedge. That's it for now. Alright. Excuse me. That was it, man. That was it. So I don't know if Drew even saw that we're talking about. Okay. Thanks, Edwin. Thanks to the 500 here, but what I think I'm going to do is call it an evening, alright? So let me do a shout out real quick. Andy PDX, Kevin Tear, Julia, thank you. Element OP, Julia again. Move Smart, BK, Kush Blunts, Todd Jones, Skinner's Rat, King Crypto, Anon, Benny Benzo, Gudon Brack, Daniel Oakenshield, AKMK, and then Instigator, thank you for the $5 of Bitcoin Cash. Nerve Craze, excuse me, thanks for the $6 Bitcoin, of Bitcoin, whatever. Bitcoin Cash guy, thanks for the 1077 of Bitcoin Cash. I didn't even see that, man. Sorry, dude. Thank you, dude. Okay, it was when it was broken. So, really appreciate each and every one of you. It's been a great stream. But I'll be back tomorrow, so no problem there, right? So have a wonderful evening. Freaking love y'all. Appreciate the likes, the love, support, all that. Hit that like button, that bell, that sub on the way out. I'll see you next time. Till then, respect the TA.
mouse turd nuggets.